Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete income ecosystem of Rio Tinto mining. How it works, how income is generated. Rio Tinto mining is built on a multi-income digital ecosystem that combines forex trading, crypto and staking, saving plans, and more. Let's talk about the most basic income stream, daily ROI. Minimum investment starts from $1, with daily ROI at 0.5% per day. You enjoy flexibility. If someone stakes $100, day 1 becomes $100.5, day 7 approximately $104, and day 28 approximately $124. Consistency creates compounding. The staking model is for those who want steady accumulation. This allows passive growth, auto withdrawal, and clarity in tracking growth. Now we move to performance-based growth. Booster income. More direct active members lead to higher booster percentages. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful parts of the system, level income. The structure works up to 30 levels. To unlock all levels, you must generate $4,500 direct business. This promotes a sustainable team-building strategy. Now we move to leadership rewards, with ranks from Bronze Director to Universal Crown Director, based on matching business volume. The system operates using structured wallets, revenue, commission, package, reward, and withdrawal wallet. Separation creates clarity. If 10 people join with $100, that equals a $1,000 business. The income structure scales with volume, not salary. Rules are clearly defined. Daily ROI minimum withdrawal is $10. No maximum withdrawal limit ensures stability. The vision focuses on blockchain innovation, sustainable digital mining, and transparent operations, building an ecosystem. Thank you for your attention. Understanding this system allows you to navigate towards financial success confidently.